Today we have a 1997 green Toyota RAV4 with a blown engine. Hood is no good. Front bumper is good. Both front lamps and side markers are good. Driver's headlamp is good. Driver's fender is good. Driver's front door is paint chipped and rusty, no good. Driver's rear door is good. Driver's quarter is good. Rear bumper sides are good. Deck lid is good. Passenger quarter is good. Passenger rear door and front door are good. Passenger fender, no good. Engine is no good. Transmission is. Other engine components are good. Driver's trim panel is good. Both front seats are stained and dirty and ripping, no good. Passenger trim panel is good.